update and the status of your branches?
Do you want to answer?
No, thanks.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. I would like to address an elephant in this room. Guys, my previous video on revealing Unomisa Mkhize, I got a lot of negative comments. Engakusho ukuthi I, for one, support her appointment. I, for one, is an MK supporter, an MK voter. If you've been in this channel from the beginning, uyazi ukuthi mina ngumlandeli we-MK, and I truly support her appointment. This is not to bash the MK in anyhow or any form. It was just putting it out there that she is the prison warder at Escorts prison, and it's all over the internet, it's all over everywhere that she was the prison warder that was helping the former president at Escorts. So ama comment awabanga mahle, and ngiyabona impela ukuthi aningazi to ukuthi ngaze nenze ukuthi nibhale kanjena. So yeah, let's just get that out of the way. So if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Sunday Times reports the ANC has stripped the KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Executive Committee, better known as the PEC, of its powers after the party's dismal performance in the May polls. This comes after the NWC meeting in Pietermaritzburg City Hall this past weekend. ANC branches have told the NWC how difficult it was to campaign for Ramaphosa during the May elections. Umtolo has now branded Ramaphosa a criminal who should not lead the ANC owing to the Phala scandal. This is honestly not new. Umtolo has lashed at Cyril before.
Who keeps 10 million in a sofa? If we discuss, if we talk about legalities, if we talk about legalities, chief, as fun was by the Malako 10 we keep a bank. La safe khona kangaka uyikhuphe kwi-safe uyigcina esofini. You are not part of us. Eka 2002 i-ANC but le iyaxoxa and ayiqali ukuxoxa into ezo
and quickly change his tune. So I don't know if it's just this is just a retaliation. What do you think about the Gauteng PEC? Will they also be disbanded following their election results? How are the branches across the country going to take this? Will they call for an emergency conference to remove the NEC? Please do share your thoughts down below. Ngiyacela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, turn on that notification bell, and don't skip the ads. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.